One day he fell into a deep slumber, and in a vision he saw the maiden Brigid and fell instantly in love with her. Now the Cailleach knew that if he married Brigid, the true sovereign of the land, Aengus Og would become king and would no longer be ruled by his mother. It was still winter, and travel was impossible, and yet Aengus was determined. He borrowed 3 days from the summer months, and the sun appeared and melted the snow, so he could travel to the mountains where his mother resided. He searched and searched, but could not find his maiden, until he heard her sad voice singing deep in the forest.